Hi, welcome to I Am Sure Sports. This is Omar Stennett, Manning's man. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching one more episode of our show. I'm extremely delighted to have you as part of the I Am Sure family. Your support, your love, your comments, you subscribing, you sharing and liking the videos, it means a whole lot to us. It inspires, propels, and drives us to do better in providing you with quality content. So if you have not yet, stop, take some time, and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button, bam, 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 bam. If you can like the video a million times, go ahead and do that. We have a very encouraging video to share with you concerning our Reggae Boys. Our Reggae Boys, our national senior men's football team. It's our team. It's Jamaica's team. They represent us and we represent them. They stand on the field for us, we stand in the stands, and some of us are in our homes to support them in every possible way. We as fans are very critical of the team, the coach, the administrators, which many times may be hard but necessary, because our criticisms are designed to get them to do better. It's a part of our culture in Jamaica. We can be our harshest critics, but then we can be the most excited people when our teams excel and succeed at what they do. So now we have spent many days and weeks being very critical of the administration, the coach, and the players. And so we have taken this week as a means of providing innovative solution to the financial woes of the administration. Just ways that they can generate income to enhance the performance of the team and pay off their mounting debt. So we provide solutions. And if you have a solution, I want you to put that in the comment section. Maybe I can do a video on it. Maybe it will inspire me. And we share these things openly so that people can know and add to it. No idea that we have or represent is complete in and of itself. But there may be others who can add a piece here, take a part there, and make it even better in terms of the content. But these are just things we think about and dream about, and we know if applied in a correct way can yield the greatest results. So today we have what we call the 4-3-2-1 plan. 4-3-2-1. In fact, that's our favorite formation. 4 at the back, 3 in the middle. Well, 4-3-2-1. You know, whatever, man. And the goalkeeper. The one, yeah. However you want to do it. But I'm not talking formation, I'm talking money. Alright? So, as you see in the thumbnail, this is about tickets for the home game against Canada specifically. We say tickets are really not for sale. The tickets should not be sold. They should be given. And I know you're going to turn off, but stop, listen me out. Listen me out. Do not break away. Listen, you have to hear me out before you decide to go away. The tickets should not be sold, but we should be given an opportunity through these tickets to be sponsors. In other words, you as an individual can become a sponsor to this program. Not I Am Sure Sports, but to the program of the Reggae Boys, the Jamaica football team program. You can be a sponsor for this Canadian game. In other words, the home game against Canada on the 10th of October in our national stadium. Now, once the government gives permission, we are proposing that the JFF should implement a 4-3-2-1 sponsorship deal through ticketing. What do we mean by that? There should be engagement of corporate Jamaica, individual in the diaspora, in England, in other places in Europe, in North America, especially in the United States and Canada. Well-thinking, football-loving Jamaican. And here is the proposal. We have written it down. That 2,000 tickets should be sold for $400 US. Saying, why is it so expensive? Because you're not buying a ticket, you're sponsoring $400 US to the program, and you get a ticket. And if you can't come to the game, you can give the ticket to someone. So the JFF should find 2,000 Jamaicans who are willing to sponsor $400 US. And that gives them a ticket for the Jamaica versus Canada game. That's the 4. The 3 is 500 tickets for $300 US. All right. So how is that going to work? Yeah, simple. So the grandstand should accommodate 2,500 people, 55% of the capacity of the grandstand, every other seat. So you have social distance, people are vaccinated, and they have their PCR test. So in the grandstand, you could do that. 2,500 people, some paying 400, some paying 300. So now we have some more tickets. We have 9,500 more tickets left to be sold, because it's 12,000 tickets they are looking at selling for this game. 200 tickets should be done. 2,500 tickets should be done for $200 US each, right? So you're sponsoring $200 US to the campaign to Qatar 2022, and that gives you a ticket. Now, these sets of tickets can be in a particular space. It may not be in the grandstand, but it could be at half line in the bleachers. Remember, there's social distancing. It won't be a full capacity stadium. I would even suggest that we make it that area a no smoking area if possible. So in that area, you probably won't be able to smoke, and so people could buy a $200 US ticket for that particular part of the stadium, or sponsor the program and have the comfort of being in there. Companies can also buy them and have them being given out. So companies, probably a couple of companies could say, all right, listen, we will give you 10,000 and take this amount of tickets, all right? Then the other 7,000 tickets are for the persons like me and you, where we will dip into our pocket, like right now, people, right now, let me show you, all right? This is, I have an old, what I call chamba wallet, all right? So in my chamba wallet, 1, 2, 3, look, 20, all right? Look, you know that it's not fake. I throw it away like that. See? 40, 60, 80, 100. I am ready to buy a ticket for $100 US. It's very expensive, but I see this as my way of contributing to the national football team and their campaign to Qatar. Now, what that means is that $400 of 2,000 worth of $400 ticket would be $800,000 US. All right? 500 tickets at $300 US, that's $150,000 US. 2,500 tickets at $200 US, that's 500,000 or $500,000